Are you serious? Are you serious? Guys, we had a 6.3 earthquake that has hit Ascension Island. Ascension Island. And anytime something like that happens, I always pay very close attention. But I really am today, because as I was doing a live broadcast today talking about these witches that are trying to hex the President of the United States, trying to curse him. They call it a binding, but it's all a curse. And they're going to do it on Friday night at 1 minute to midnight Eastern Standard Time. Now, that was the title of our broadcast. I'm doing the broadcast, and I said, hey, let's take a look at the earthquakes. And when I went to the earthquake map and turned it on, right when I turned it on, within the first 3 seconds, boom, it posted a 6.3 powerful earthquake had just hit Ascension Island. When I think of the ascension, I think of the Jesus Christ when he ascended into heaven. I start thinking about the rapture and the body of Christ being caught up forever to be with the Lord. I mean, are you serious? So what are the odds of this happening? Well, by the way, it was a very strong earthquake. It was very shallow. It jolted the Ascension Island. The people, the reports that's coming in here based on the folks at the U.S. Geological Survey. It was first recorded as 6.5. They downsized it to 6.3, but this was a powerful jolt. So we're going to keep an eye on that and watch what else goes on. I'll be back with more in just a moment. Are you ready for the rapture?